Sir, why'd you run?
Happy birthday.
Justin Beal, B-E-A-L, entitled Sergeant.
Talk about the out there for.
At about 7 p.m. tonight, we had a unit that tried to stop a motorcycle traveling southbound on the 15 at about Mercy Road that was going in excess of 100 miles per hour. Upon trying to stop the motorcycle, it fled going southbound 15. They immediately went into pursuit, followed the motorcycle down to about Arrow Road where they lost the motorcycle, but at that time our police helicopter picked up the motorcycle and continued to follow it on various freeways until it ultimately ended up here in Spring Valley. The helicopter stayed overhead until our units got here at the scene. One of our K9 units was the first to respond, and that officer was the officer that made the arrest.
Now they're
Talk about the bike itself. You heard not the rider's bike. Talk about it.
From what I understand, a family member owns the bike. The rider was just borrowing it.
So when the officers got here, they found that the rider had ran into the house where there was a large party. Was there any resisting arrest or any problems with the partygoers?
No, the rider didn't resist arrest at all. It was very cooperative at the time.
Did you give any indication on why he ran?
Nothing that I heard. I think it was just lapse in judgment.
No warrants around.
Not that I'm aware of.
So just quickly, if you can, just run us through about how fast he was going.
During the pursuit portion, speeds were in excess of 120 miles per hour. After the units dropped the pursuit and it was just the helicopter following, the speed slowed down to under 100 in the high 80s, mid 90s.
Anything else there?
No.
Thank you very much, sir.
You're welcome.